Welcome back to the channel. My name is Theresa and today I am baking one of my favorite recipes, oatmeal cookies with and without dried cranberries. Your first step is to always cream your butter and your sugar. And you'll see that we have both packed brown sugar and regular white sugar alongside a whole stick plus 6 tablespoons of softened butter. After you cream that up, you can see that I put in there 2 large organic eggs. You can tell because of that bright yellow. We know that eggs are expensive right now, so get any eggs that you can. Just make sure they are large. And then in a separate bowl, you can see that I'm mixing my dry ingredients, including my flour, my cinnamon, my baking soda, and salt, and mixing that up before I add it into the creamed mixture. All of these ingredients and measurements, as always, will be on our website linked below at flour-eggs-yeast.com. The last step is you're going to want to add your oatmeal, and you can use either quick or old-fashioned as long as they're uncooked. It will just provide a different type of texture in the end cookie. I always use the old-fashioned one because I feel like it's a bit more healthy. And then we're going to be putting them on a sheet pan with our oven already preheated to 350 degrees. You can see that I'm putting about 2 to 3 inches in between each cookie. And then, in case you're like me and you love dried cranberries, put the other half of your dough and mix it up with about a cup of those dried cranberries. And that way you have half regular plain and then half with dried cranberries. You can also use raisins. Golden would be my suggestion with my recipe here, and they will wow your guests. This is one of my favorite cookies because we once made it for a wedding over in Austin, Texas over 10 years ago at the request of the bride as a favor for everybody to take home with them. I fell in love with this recipe that I created, and I'm sure you will too. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe. Let us know what your favorite cookie recipe is, and we would love to feature it here on the channel with a shout out to you.